Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix Microsoft Edge slow download speed in Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First is you need to open your Microsoft Edge. Okay? So once you are being redirected here, at the upper search bar, please search Edge colon // plugs. Once done, click enter to continue. Okay, so the moment you are here in the experiment section, here at the search icon, please search for parallel downloading. It has this highlighted one, yellow highlighted parallel downloading. And when you enable parallel downloading, it will accelerate download speed in Mac, Windows, Linux, and even Android. Okay, aligning this, just have to set this into enabled, and once it is being enabled, just click on restart to make changes. Okay, after that, open your Microsoft Edge again, and this time we will be going to the settings. How? As you can see, it has this three dots here at the upper right side of your screen. Just simply click that to see more. Once done, scroll down to find settings. Just click to open. Okay, so the moment you open your settings, look at the left side of it and go for System and Performance. Click that, and here, under this, continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Please disable that. Okay? If in your case it is enabled, please disable it because this will affect the performance of your Microsoft Edge, especially the downloading speed. And here, use graphics acceleration when available, leave it enabled. Okay? Once done, you're good to go. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.